Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Property Runway, and today we are at Queenstown, Sky Terrace at Dawson. This time, we have a city view 4-room flat above level 20 for you. So one of the best things about this cluster is definitely the level layout. With only 4 units on each level, this ensures that each unit has absolute privacy. So the great thing about this property is that the owner seldom lives in it, which is why it's practically brand new. Come, let's check it out. There are many different layouts for a 4-room flat here, and this is our layout. Spanning over 893 square feet, this layout is one of the most squarish, allowing for an open space for living and dining. The owner selected this deck because it faces south and overlooks the school, therefore ensuring that we get a good breeze throughout the year and an unblocked view. Here, the owners have created this extra storage area to elegantly hide away the bomb shelter. The kitchen is just next to the entrance corridor, and round this little bend is the yard area, facing west, thus ensuring that your laundry will dry quickly with the heat of the evening sun. The bedrooms are down this passageway, each a good size for a queen-size bed. We really love that this owner did not do much built-in, so this spells freedom for your imagination. Especially this master bedroom, it is a huge space. Build a wardrobe here or here, depending on how much storage you need. Like to make this cozy home your very own? Call the Property Runway today for an exclusive viewing. See you soon!